All right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. Unfortunately, again, I did not have a good day of trading. Uh, y'all know if you watched the last video, I lost those four accounts that I had, but you also know I had three more coming, three more $50,000 accounts coming today. Ended up losing those three accounts, so now I'm back to zero, and I got to start all over again. Yes, it sucks, but this is the game that I'm in, the game that we're in, and we just have to get better every time. And what I will say is, I actually did trade better on these three accounts, and I think I just kind of lost sight a little bit once because I actually made 3,000 in profit, right? And I had all the accounts linked, made the 3,000, and then ended up that same trade that I was in, I let it go against me. And then when I got out of it, I think I only had like $1,000 left to cushion. And at that point, I think mentally I was kind of checked out, but I kept trading, which I probably should have stepped away. So that's one thing I learned. I probably should have stepped away and came back, but I tried to trade again, try to get back what I lost. Ended up, losing $1,000 of cushion, ultimately blowing the account. So not very good. Guys, don't do that. If you feel yourself mentally kind of not there, just take a break, step away, and come back to it. So next time, I think that I will do that. Take a break, come back to it, and try to refocus. Right. Anyway, all right. Y'all are not here for that. Y'all are here for the test analysis, and we're gonna get into I'm gonna get into that right now. So I have Tesla pulled up. This time I'm on the daily chart because I think it's very important to see kind of what is happening on the daily chart. And if you can see my chart, I have a lot of crap on here. I think there's a way for me to hide stuff. There it is. All right, cool. I learned that trick, guys. So, all right, we do have, and I'm gonna get a tool. It's very important to see. Oh, so it comes back when you make a drawing. Uh, anyway, you see I drew a little circle there. That is a gap that needs to be filled. If you are a bull, that's probably not a bet. It's probably not a good thing to see. Actually, my dad is actually in some calls right now, so actually that is not very good for me to see, or for him to see. So, with that being said, hopefully, what we can get is a continuation going up tomorrow. Let me turn this back on. I want to turn this back on because what I want to show you guys is this. Zoom in a little bit and like so. All right. So you guys see this zone here. This is a 214 to 215, I guess, area. It's a zone. It's a pretty strong area of resistance. We bounced off of it probably three times. Rejected off of it three times. And looked like today we was on our way there, but you also know have another little zone in red. This is about 209, 210 area. That also is a strong level of resistance, so we couldn't quite break out of that level, which I was actually thinking maybe we would, considering tomorrow is Investors Day, and I think a lot of people, especially retail, are expecting Tesla to make a nice run up, and so it looks like that may possibly happen tomorrow, guys. So hopefully tomorrow we get that run up. And my opinion is I think after we get that run up tomorrow, maybe we run up to back to this 213 or 214, 215 area. Possibly if we even get an even stronger push, maybe we run up to this 220 area and hit this 200 SMA, which would be about a $15 move from where we are at close. To 220. It's about a $15 move, but could be a little less than that depending on what happens overnight. So I definitely think 220 tomorrow could be a possibility if we can get a lot of retail to get in there and push this thing up, which we'll find out tomorrow. But my opinion is that is possibly what may happen tomorrow. And then, or if we come back to this 213, 214 area, we'll have, maybe a double top, or maybe you said triple top. And then I think we might drop from there. That's my opinion. I do want to take a look at the market in general, which has not been very good. Price action, especially at the end of the day today, which it just really sucked at the end of the day. But today, What I do want to show you guys here is you can see my this yellow line here is 8 EMA, and this blue line here is 45 EMA. Obviously the red is 200 SMA. So basically our 8 EMA crossed our 45 today, which is not very good because that means that we possibly have some downside to come in the markets. How far down we go, not sure. But this to me is a sign that the market is wanting to drop some, which is I'm like, man, hopefully we can hold up tomorrow. Maybe we get a push back up tomorrow and stop this from crossing fully. But if not, tomorrow, if we don't get that push up tomorrow, the market is coming down some. Which is ultimately not good for Tesla because that means the Tesla will come down some too. However, like I said, we are hoping for, if you are in calls or you are a bull right now for the short term, you're hoping that tomorrow we can get a nice rally up into the investor day. I think after the market closes, then they go into all their stuff that they do, and then we'll see what happens after that. But that's kind of gonna be it for this, guys. Not a whole lot to really talk about. Like I said, what I said about Tesla, that's what I think is currently about to happen. Possibly more upside, a little bit more upside, in Tesla. And I think maybe we see a drop, contingent upon, the price action on tomorrow. It is possible tomorrow we drop and then we try to go and fill this gap, which I hope doesn't happen. But definitely a possibility. Don't want to rule that out as well. But it does look like we are above 8 EMA on the daily chart, which is good. And so it looks like we might have a little more ways to go up some before dropping. So, and then we don't have like any type of reversal candle like over here, right there, or we don't have a wick down like that right there. So that lets me to believe that we possibly may have more room to go up, which we'll find out tomorrow. But anyway, that's it, guys. If you got something from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share maybe. If not, cool. Definitely thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I really, really appreciate you. And until next time, peace.